Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use Mailchimp Audience. This is your central hub for understanding and managing all your contacts, tracking their engagement, and organizing them effectively for your email campaigns. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to Mailchimp.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to log into your Mailchimp account using your username and password. Make sure you have these credentials ready so you can access your dashboard smoothly. After logging in, you'll land on the main dashboard. From here, look to the left side of your screen where you'll find the navigation menu. Click on Audience. This section is where all your contact management happens, and it's essential for understanding who your subscribers are and how they're engaging with your content. Next, click on Audience Dashboard. This will bring up a comprehensive overview of your contacts, giving you valuable insights at a glance. The Audience Dashboard is designed to help you monitor the health and activity of your email list, so it's worth checking regularly. Now let's explore what information is available. Start by reviewing the recent growth section. This area shows you how many new contacts have been added to your list in the last 30 days, along with the sources they came from. Understanding where your subscribers are coming from helps you identify which marketing channels are working best for you. Scroll down a bit and check out the top locations section. This visual breakdown identifies where your subscribed contacts are based geographically. Knowing your audience location can be incredibly useful for timing campaigns or tailoring content to specific regions. Continue scrolling to find the email marketing engagement section. Here you'll see open and click rates for your subscribed contacts. These metrics are crucial for understanding how well your emails are performing and whether your audience is genuinely interested in what you're sending them. Next, examine the tags section, which lists your top 5 most used tags along with contact counts. Tags are a powerful way to segment your audience based on interests, behaviors, or any criteria you choose. If you want more control over your tags, click View All Tags under this section. This will allow you to manage existing tags or create new ones for better organization and more targeted campaigns. Here's a particularly useful feature. Click any clickable stat, such as a specific tag or location, and you'll see an option to select Target with Campaign. This allows you to send emails directly to that specific group, making your marketing efforts more precise and effective. Finally, if you manage multiple audiences in Mailchimp, use the Audience dropdown at the top of the page to switch between them. This makes it easy to oversee different segments of your business or projects without losing track of any contacts. And there you have it. You've now learned how to navigate and utilize the Mailchimp Audience dashboard to monitor, organize, and target your contacts effectively. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.